People always told us about the non-existing nature of white holes. Yes, we all were told that it doesn't even exist because it highly violates the thermodynamics second law. There's been huge speculation over the past few years, and many predictions, concerns, and mysteries were given on the white hole. But that's absolutely true. So, what is this strange white hole? Does this really exist, or is it only an idea? Most importantly, why are many astronomers super excited about this thing? Stay tuned with us to explore the in-depth details, not only about the black hole, but also about the first ever discovery of a white hole. To begin with, there's a theory behind this creepy white hole thing. It's assumed that time inexorably flows outwards in the white holes. Yes, exactly opposite to black holes. The sheer gamma ray's power would even obliterate the crew and their ship if they tried to enter the white hole. Without a shadow of a doubt, this high-end curiosity about black holes led to the discovery of the white holes theory. Carl Schwarzschild first discovered the equation of mass in space-time using the field equation of Einstein. His equation is an absolute mathematical illustration of a black hole. Schwarzschild's black hole equation illustrates that the black hole exists from the start, and its size can never be changed. In contrast, we typically get the white hole when we astonishingly turn back time. According to some scientists, these white holes are considered to be hypothetical too. Even though the white holes obey relativity and create mathematical sound, they go against thermodynamics' second rule when the entropy of the cosmos continues to rise. This drop in entropy can considerably take place in white holes. You should break this rule since black holes are generally adept at increasing the instability in the universe. If black holes were prevented from evaporating and shrinking owing to the constraints of space-time, they would transform into white holes. However, a Russian cosmologist might be credited with proposing the theoretical postulate for white holes. In 1964, Igor Novikov expanded people's curiosity by making a statement that what happens if the black hole accidentally meets the white hole. I am pretty sure you're also confused after this statement, right? Let me explain. Well, when both these holes will interact even for a short time period, the white hole will be converted into the black hole, and you will be even more scared to know that the whole system will end up with only these two black holes combined. In general, the white holes were considered as cosmic regions that function opposite to black holes. Do you know what's even more unbelievable? This cosmic object is super bright and gushes instead of being disappeared. In other words, this white hole is almost the opposite of the twin black hole. A black hole acts as the main entry point to a tunnel via time and space, and turns into a white hole which is present somewhere in the entire universe. The black hole and even the light cannot pass into the white hole. But what will happen if you yourself enter the white hole? Well, even the objects inside can leave and eventually interact with the world outside. Since nothing can get in anyway, the interior is cut off from the past of the universe. The events that are taking place outside the hole don't affect what happens inside. No matter what the learned opinions about the black hole existence were, and whatever the laws of physics state, this is the fact that white holes exist in the same universe. As a matter of fact, it no longer exists in any kind of complex theories. But still, NASA claims that recently, they have recorded the white hole. Yes, it is now considered a horrible reality that cannot be reversed. But remember, that white hole is subjected to a long, never-ending debate. Results from using non-standard approaches to solving relativity's equations have been seen. It's possible that the black holes shrank to their farthest possible size before giving birth to white holes. In any case, it's feasible that time has been reversed, making the seemingly impossible attainable. The brightest white hole, however, has been found after years of research and investigation. The fact that black holes ate almost everything in massive stars, dust, air, spacecraft, and even kept people on a scary edge about their existence. It was also theorized that a supermassive black hole might swallow the Earth. What terrific news it would be! However, discovery is the real hope for life. As the cosmic object is opposite to the black hole, We are not supposed to go close to the black hole. If it happens, you will end up inside the whole belly then. In general, massive stars frequently collapse, and in this way, the formation of black holes takes place. This friction forms a highly exploding star. The Milky Way, which is our galaxy, is now the home to black holes. The scientists also did research recently, which tells us some amazing facts about black holes. It also showed that the black hole is at the center of the Milky Way. A single black hole holds a huge power that can easily swallow more than 4 million of our suns within a few seconds. Meanwhile, these two holes are so much mysterious that there is still exciting news for you. Want to know what's this? Years of space and scientific discovery have revealed that our own home is the home to this dangerous white hole, not any other universe. The law of gravity has incredibly driven us to some other dimensions. But we cannot stick to this point of view as well because scientists keep researching and exploring different aspects of space regarding black and white holes. It's being said that the black hole itself is a huge form of a giant star. Because it consumes all it touches, news about black holes has been dreadful. It lugs about gigantic intergalactic objects and eats them entirely. Nothing can let light out. White holes expel everything. Therefore, their appearance is a harbinger of change, but the fury of auto-pulling is just that. This illustrates that it will no longer be able to suction the planet. As far as we can elaborate, it acts as a counterbalancing force across the cosmos. Despite the fact that many people continue to argue that what space scientists and astronomers were telling us was impossible, the truth remains that space discovery is not a dead science, and that it will continue to unfold in the future. When it comes to the quest for knowledge, white holes are no longer off limits. What is within a white hole is the subject of the ongoing investigation. However, the finding does have some particular intriguing elements. That there is just one white hole discovered so far is one of them. Maybe more white holes will be found in the future. There must be a rationale for the infinite number of black holes. If we can have black holes, why can't we have white ones? The finding of white holes is certainly a fascinating and mind-blowing development. This finding has excited a space fan and may be considered one of the marvels in the push towards space exploration, as well as huge discoveries of the enigmatic cosmos, which was previously thought to be impossible by space experts. How amazed are you about this discovery? And which thoughts instantly come into your mind after thinking about this horrible phenomenon? Share your valuable opinions in the below comment box and tell us which kind of exciting videos you want to watch about such weird space discoveries.